Traders who don't understand price action are essentially gambling with their finances. Here's how I know. Hello fellow traders, I'm Trader Tom with over a decade and a half of experience, as well as the founder of Simply Forex Trading Academy. I'm opening the doors to just 20 ambitious traders for my elite weekly masterclasses, where you get the chance to join an inner circle where ordinary traders turn into market experts. Dive deep into the art of price action trading across 4 intensive sessions. You'll emerge with ability to spot high probability trades, execute with confidence, and achieve consistent gains. Secure your spot immediately. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to kickstart your journey. Can't wait to see you in class. Traders, how are we? Welcome back. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand the charts. As always, guys, we're going to start by looking back at yesterday's trades, but if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well, so stay tuned. Right, let's start with the trade that I took yesterday, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And it was one of those frustrating trades which literally nips your stop loss or hedge, in my case, and then goes in the direction you want. I don't think there's anything more frustrating in trading. Let me show you what I mean. So Canadian yen, we were looking to buy this pair, right? Why were we looking to buy it? Well, we was in a uptrend, okay? And we broke this level, okay? So it was in an uptrend. We had a bullish-ish, reasonably bullish candle here that broke this gray zone, broke this resistance, and we had room to move into. All right, so enough reasons to like this trade and look for buys. If we drop down to the H1, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I was in this trade from here. Okay, so I was just following H1 structure. Okay, so we saw this H1 structure, and then we got this candle here that broke these last highs. That is a continuation of trend for me. All right, so I entered here, right, put my stop below the last swing low, as I, 9 times out of 10 I will, okay, put my stop below here, and as you can see, price came down, just nipped my hedge, okay, and then went shooting in the direction we wanted. Okay, nothing more frustrating. But the trade idea was good. The direction was good. Just a little bit unfortunate with getting into a hedge here. All right, but that was my first trade that I took from yesterday, and the only trade that I took. I took another trade, but not from the pairs that we were looking at yesterday. If we now look at the other trades, we're also looking at Aussie dollar, US dollar. If we start with the day chart. As you can see, we was in an uptrend and we were looking for buys, right? This would have been a nice trade, actually. So it was in an uptrend and we had bullish candle, bounce off the moving average 20. And the idea was to potentially take it back up to these highs. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, because there was a H1 entry here, okay? So price had come up. Yeah, we're just following H1 structure. It come down to this interesting level here, guys. What was once resistance becomes support. That was holding. And we was at the moving average 20 as well. All right, so you had a bullish candle here. We had these bottom wicks. You had another bullish candle here. So there was a few opportunities to enter this trade. I mean, in hindsight, I'm thinking, why the hell didn't I? And all I would have done, guys, was, entered on one of these green candles here, yeah, and took price back up to these last highs, putting my stop below this last low here. All right, so that would have been a nice trade. And this would have been a perfect example of why you should take profit. It comes up, hits the last high, take some profit, because if you didn't, it comes crashing down. All right, so that was Aussie dollar, US dollar. And then finally, we were looking at Euro Aussie dollar from yesterday. But this has just been a bit of a mess, to be quite honest. We were looking to sell this. All right, so why we were looking to sell it? Well, it was in a downtrend stroke range. Okay, so we're kind of ranging between here and these lows. Okay, it's become a range. So it makes sense if we're in this downtrend range to look for sells from the top of the range down. Okay, and that's exactly what we were doing. We also had some nice bearish candles that supported this idea. Yesterday, that is a doji. That is indecision, yeah, because this top wick and bottom wick are pretty much the same. That is indecision in the market. And you can see that on the H4, guys, right? I mean, just look at those H4 candles. Right, buying, right, okay, it's retracing some more. Bang, no, it's not, it's coming down. No, it's not, it's going up. No, it's not, it's coming down. No, it's not, it's coming up. No, it's not, it's coming down. No, it's not. You get the idea, it's coming down, right? That is tricky to trade, all right? And for that reason, guys, I just didn't have a trade. Even on the H1, you know, even if we do get some bearish reactions up here, at this point, it is against H1 structure. That was telling me that price could come higher, but then it's shot down. Yeah, then we get this big bullish push up. You're thinking, right, is it coming higher? Bang, right? So yeah, that price action is tricky to trade, guys. And just look at these wicks down the bottom as well. You know, makes it hard to trade because we need to see a break of these wicks now, really. So there you go, guys. Those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Keep that mental editor happy. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 29th of May, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few things. First of all, right now, you can get free access to our VIP Trading Academy, okay? In there, I give you all of my trade signals. I give you tutorials from all the things that I've learned over the years. Also, you get direct access to me should you need help with anything. And that is all free right now. So check out the promo we're running. Secondly, guys, we are also running, end of June, a beginner masterclass. Okay, so if you're a beginner trader and you want to get into trading and really understand the core concepts of price action, then this is the masterclass for you. Okay, so check that out. That is also in the video description. Also, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? Come join it. Yeah, we've got like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. So come join the free Discord as well, guys. All right. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Finally, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready for me. We'll be looking at the live charts. Who knows what will what it will bring? Easy for me to say. Right, trades for today, guys. We are going to start by looking at US dollar pairs, right? Any US dollar momentum, right? Any US dollar weakness that we were seeing in the market seems to have come to a bit of an abrupt end, right? So this candle is suggesting US dollar strength, right? You look at any of them, Euro US dollar, right? Look at that candle at the last highs, big bearish candle. You know, is this the end of US dollar weakness? Okay, time will tell. But what I am showing you is yesterday, the US dollar come back with a vengeance, right? Look at any US dollar pair. Okay, pound US dollar. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean we have a trade on US dollar pairs, because if you look at pound US dollar, you know, we're clearly in an uptrend, right? If we look at New Zealand US dollar, right, we're clearly in an uptrend, but we've got a, you know, these highs of this chart has stopped making highs, right? But there is one US dollar pair where this is translated into a potential trade idea, and it is US dollar Swiss franc, right? Why? Because US dollar Swiss franc, this US dollar strength we've just seen is with trend, right? So if we look at US dollar Swiss franc, we was in this downtrend, right? Stopped making lower lows. Sorry, my big head is in the way. Price shot back up. We're now getting higher highs. We're in an uptrend. Price has retraced here. What was once resistance has become good support. Not only is it good support, you know, because of the grey zone, but look at the moving average 20, right? I really like this trade. I really like this level. And at that level, we've had a nice bullish wick. So we're in an uptrend at a really nice support level, bullish candle, lots of room to move into. Nice, for the want of a better word, nice. Okay, so bearing that in mind, guys, we're looking for long. So now we drop down to the lower time frames to see how we can get into this trade. And there's this bit of a level through here, right? You can see price has reacted here historically. And all I want to see, guys, is a push through this level, right? If we get a nice bullish candle, break through this level, we can start buying here, put our stop below the last swing low, and take price back up to some of these highs and some of this resistance in here. All right, so that's exactly what I'm going to do with US dollar Swiss franc. So that's the first trade idea. And the only other trade idea is this, guys, is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And this is just a continuation of yesterday, right? So if we look at the day chart, yeah, not much has changed. But what I do like, I'll show you the candle. So we're in an uptrend. It's broken this level through here with this candle here. Okay, so we're in an uptrend, broke a resistance level. But what I also like, guys, is the fact that this candle has broke the high of this candle. This candle has broke the high of this candle. That suggests momentum. The daily highs keep getting broken. All right, so I like to see that when it's trending. Admittedly, not a super duper bullish candle, but bullish enough. There's only bottom wick, a full green body, you know, bullish enough. Okay. And again, you know, there's room to move into back up to these highs here. And we're also seeing some strength in oil, which supports Canadian dollar strength. Okay. So that's the trade idea to buy this pair. Now, if we drop down to the H4, right, I've changed this grey zone slightly because, to be honest with you, this is the only level that matters on the H4, right? So price could quite easily come back down to this level. Moving average 20 catches up. We get a nice bullish reaction and we can start buying Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. All right. So if that happens, that's what we'll do. However, because you can see that this H4 candle again has broken these highs, that is a continuation of trend. So maybe it doesn't retrace all the way here. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, I'd also consider, you know, trading the first bullish candle above the moving average 20. So let's say we get a nice, the next candle is this nice big bullish candle, looks like this. Yeah, I would also start buying this, potentially put my stop here and look to take price higher. All right, guys, so Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we're looking to buy that. So they're the only two trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 29th of May. So not a busy news day, as you can see. And before I start, guys, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe and smash the like button. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. The first bit of news we're interested in is this. At 7 o'clock, I know it's a 2-star rating, but this German consumer climate is important. All right, so this could move any euro pairs. And then after that, guys, at 1 o'clock, we got German CPI, month on month, year on year, obviously still very important. Yeah, a big indicator as to what they're going to do with interest rates. Okay, so very important at 1 o'clock London GMT. And then after that, guys, as you can see, nothing else to worry about. Beige book. I always think they could have named that better. I appreciate the book is beige, but yeah, brighten it up a bit. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to join me for the live stream. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you later.